I've been a patient in dental care for 10 years. The quality of care I get is second to none. I really feel that way. Dr. Smith is my primary dentist now, but if I have something and she's not there, I feel so comfortable with having either Dr. Houck or Dr. Johnson. They're all just wonderful. They're wonderful people. When I first went there, it was for a second opinion. I had lost trust in the dentist that I had before. I went to Dr. Houck, and she was just so knowledgeable and skillful and all those things that you want in a dentist. And she showed a better way to do the procedure, and I thought, this is the place where I'm going to go. What's kept me there is their level of skill. It's wonderful that they treat their patients like family. It's wonderful that they are so kind and generous and gentle, but the bottom line is I want a skillful dentist who's up on all the procedures. And so that's what's kept me there. The other part is just icing on the cake. They do a lot of their own procedures. It's not outsourced like in a lot of places. For example, I had to have an implant and I had it done in their office, and so I knew I was in good hands. I didn't have to drive somewhere where I felt uncomfortable about, or whether I'd be there on time or any of that stuff. I've recommended Houck Dental Care a lot of times to a lot of different people. The one closest to my heart was when I recommended my mother come up here. My mom lives near Athens, Georgia, and she had had a terrible procedure done that caused her a lot of pain. And I thought, you know, this is absurd. In the time that we live in, there should not be that much pain associated with what she had done. And so she came up here and she went to Dr. Houck to have her procedure done. And they were so gentle and so caring. She had recently lost her husband, my dad, and they were just lovely to Mom. My mom still comes from Georgia. It's a 3-hour drive, but what's wonderful is that not only do I know that she's getting wonderful care, but she gets to spend the night with me. So it's a win-win situation.